Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So today's video will be a astronomy quiz. I asked you guys in the community tab what quiz would you guys like to see next, and most of you said astronomy, so this is what today's video is about. So I will be asking you questions related to astronomy, obviously, and you'll get 1 point per correct answer. The first two questions are the only ones that are multiple choice, but for all of the other questions, I'm going to give you 4 options, and then you have to tell me which one is correct. Again, you'll get 1 point per correct answer. So at the end of the video, comment down below how many points you got, and also comment down below what were your answers to all of the questions. Alright, so let's just get started with the quiz. So the first question asks, how many planets are there in our solar system? So the first question is an easy one. So how many planets are there in our solar system? What is your guess? How many planets do we have? And dwarf planets do not count, so what is your guess for question number 1? Okay, do you have your answer locked in? Let's check. Okay, so there are 8 planets in our solar system. Nice, did you get it right? Okay, so for question 2, name all of the planets in our solar system in order. And again, dwarf planets are excluded. And for this question, you'll get 1 point per correct planet that you name. So there are 8 points at stake for question 2. And as a hint, I'm going to be showing you this image that shows all of the 8 planets in our solar system. And I will ask you to name them in order. So starting off with this tiny one over here, then this one, this one, this one, this bigger one, this other huge one, this one, and lastly this one. So I'm going to give you some time just to look at the image, and then I will be asking you one by one the names of the 8 planets that make up our solar system. So you can look at this image for a little longer, and in a little bit I'm going to ask you to lock in your answers and going to reveal each planet one by one. That's if they don't reveal themselves first. Okay, so you can take a look at all the planets. This one is a little bit difficult to see, but it's here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of the 8 planets that make up our solar system. Okay, you can take a look for a little longer. Okay, so what is the name of this first tiny planet right here? What is your guess? The first planet, the one closest to the sun. Do you have a guess? Okay, let's check. And the first planet is Mercury. Mercury, okay, did you get it right? Let's move on to the second planet, this one right here. What's your guess? Okay, let's check. And the second planet is Venus. Venus, nice, did you get it right? Okay, third planet, what is your guess? Okay, third and fourth. I think these are both under this post-it, so third and fourth planets. What's your guess? Okay, let's check. So we have Earth and Mars. So third one is Earth, and then fourth is Mars. Good job. Okay, what about this big one? Let's take a look. Okay, this is Jupiter. Jupiter. Next, what is this planet right here? What's it called? Okay, let's check. Saturn. This is Saturn. Did you get it right? Okay, moving on to the next one. This one right here. What is your guess for this one? Okay, let's check. This is Uranus. Uranus. Good job. Did you get it right? And the last one. What is your guess for the last planet? Neptune. So the last planet is Neptune. So we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Good job. How many of these did you get right? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. And question 3 asks, what do we call the path that Earth takes around the Sun? So the path that Earth takes around the Sun, is it A, rotation, B, orbit, C, spin, or D, axis? The path that Earth takes around the Sun. Rotation, orbit, spin, or axis? What is your guess for question number 3? Rotation, orbit, spin, or axis? Path of Earth around the Sun. A, B, C, or D? What's your guess? Okay, do you have your answer locked in? Okay, let's review the answers. So the name of the path that Earth takes around the Sun is called? Answer B, orbit. Good job. Did you get this one right? Okay, so question 4 asks, what is the current most widely accepted estimate for the age of the universe? The current most accepted estimate for the age of the universe. So, again, we have 4 options. Is it A, 9.8 billion years? Is it B, 13.8 billion years? Is it C, 17.2 billion years? Or is it D, 4.6 billion years? So, what is your guess? How old is the universe? 9.8 billion years, 13.8 billion years, 17.6 billion years, or 9.6 billion years? Sorry, 17.2 billion years, or 4.6 billion years? What's your guess for question number 4? And this is just saying years, so A, B, C, or D? Okay, do you have your answer locked in? Let's check if you're right. So, the correct answer is B, 13.8 billion years. Good job. Did you get this one right? Alright, let's move on to question number 5. Which planet in our solar system has the shortest day? So the fastest rotation period. So is it Mercury, Saturn, the Earth, or Jupiter? So which planet spins the fastest around itself? Takes the shortest time to complete one full turn around itself. Mercury, Saturn, Earth, or Jupiter? What is your guess for question 5? A, B, C, or D? Mercury, Saturn, Earth, or Jupiter? Going to give you some time to think and look at the options. What is your guess? A, B, C, or D? Okay, let's reveal the answer. Do you have your guess locked in? Okay, so the planet of our solar system with the shortest days is answer D, Jupiter. And Jupiter takes around 9 hours and 55 minutes to do one full rotation. Good job. Did you get this one right? Okay, let's move on to the next questions. Okay, so question 6 asks, what causes the phases of the moon as seen from Earth? So why do we see the moon in different phases? What causes that? What's the cause of that? Okay, so again, for options, is it A, Earth's shadow on the moon? Is it B, the changing distance between Earth and moon? Is it C, the moon's rotation slowing down? Or is it D, the angle of sunlight illuminating the moon as it orbits Earth? So, one of these is the reason to why we see phases, the different phases of the moon. Which one do you think is the correct reason? A, B, C, or D? What is your guess for question number 6? Is it Earth's shadow on the moon? Is it the changing distance between Earth and moon? Is it the moon's rotation slowing down? Or is it the angle of sunlight illuminating the moon as it orbits Earth? A, B, C, or D? Which one of these options makes the most sense to you? I'm going to give you some time to think. A, B, C, or D? What is your guess for question 6? Okay, so the correct answer is answer D. So we see the phases of the moon because of the angle of sunlight illuminating the moon as the moon orbits Earth. Good job. Did you get this one right? Okay, question 7 asks, what is the name of the closest galaxy to the Milky Way? So in case you don't know, the Milky Way is the galaxy we're in right now. And which one of these 4 options is the one that's closest to us? So is it A, Triangulum Galaxy? Is it B, Andromeda Galaxy? Is it C, Sombrero Galaxy? Or is it D, Whirlpool Galaxy? So the one that's closest to the Milky Way, our galaxy. Is it A, B, C, or D? What is your guess? Galaxy closest to us. Do you have a guess? So is it the Triangulum Galaxy, Andromeda Galaxy, Sombrero Galaxy, or the Whirlpool Galaxy? Which one of these is the closest to our galaxy, the Milky Way? Okay, do you have your answer locked in? So the galaxy that's the closest to ours is answer B, Andromeda Galaxy, which is around 2.5 billion years away. This is the closest galaxy to us. Good job, did you get this one right? Let's move on to question 8, which asks, what planets in the solar system have 0 moons? So there are 2 planets in our solar system that don't have any moons. And I'm asking you now, what are those 2 planets? And you'll get 1 point per correct planet that you mentioned. So even if you get the question wrong, but you still guess 1 planet, you can have 1 point. Okay, so let's take a look at the options. Is it A, Venus and Mercury? Is it B, Venus and Neptune? Is it C, Neptune and Mercury? Or is it D, Neptune and Mars? So which are the 2 planets that don't have any moons? Venus and Mercury, Venus and Neptune, Neptune and Mercury, or Neptune and Mars? What is your guess? A, B, C, or D? The 2 planets that have 0 moons orbiting around them. What is your guess for question 8? I'll let you take a closer look and think about your answer. A, B, C, or D? What do you think? Do you have your answer locked in? Okay, let's take a look at the answers. So, the 2 planets that don't have any moons orbiting around them are answer A, Venus and Mercury. Good job, did you get this one right? Okay, let's move on to the next questions. So, question 9 asks, approximately how long does it take for sunlight to travel from the sun's surface to Earth? So approximately how long does it take for sunlight to travel from the sun's surface to Earth? We have 4 options. Is it A, 12 minutes? Is it B, 4 minutes? Is it C, 8 minutes? Or is it D, 16 minutes? So for light to travel from the sun's surface to Earth, what is your guess for question number 9? 12 minutes, 4 minutes, 8 minutes, or 16 minutes? Approximately. It's not an exact number, but what is the closest value? 12, 4, 8, or 16 minutes? What is your guess for question 9? Okay, do you have your answer locked in? Let's take a look at the answer. So it takes answer C, 8 minutes. So approximately it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds. So the closest answer and the correct answer is C, 8 minutes. Good job. Okay, so let's move on to question 10. And question 10 asks, what's the name of the closest star to the sun? Again, we have 4 options. The closest star to the sun. So, is it A, Sirius? Is it B, Proxima Centauri? Is it C, Alpha Centauri A? Or is it D, Barnard's star? Which one of these is the one that's closest to our sun? Sirius, Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri A, or Barnard's star? I'm going to give you some time to take a look at the options and decide which one you're picking for question 10. A, B, C, or D? Sirius, Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri A, or Barnard's star? The closest to our sun. What is your guess? Okay. Do you have your answer locked in? Alright, let's reveal the answer. So the star that's the closest to our sun is answer B, Proxima Centauri. I guess the name is a giveaway. And Proxima Centauri is about 4.24 light years away from the sun. And it's still the closest. Good job. Did you get this one right? Okay, let's move on to question 11. And question 11 asks, which is the biggest, or which is the largest moon in our solar system? So we have 4 options. Is it A, Titan, which is a moon that orbits Saturn? Is it B, Callisto, which is a moon that orbits Jupiter? Is it C, Ganymede, which is a moon that orbits Jupiter as well? Or is it D, Io, which is another moon that orbits Jupiter? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is your... Which one do you think is the largest moon in our solar system? And if you are enjoying the quiz so far and you like quiz content, you're more than welcome to subscribe to our channel. Okay, so which one of these 4 options is the biggest moon in our solar system? Titan, Callisto, Ganymede, or Io? Io. I might be pronouncing these wrong, I apologize for that. The largest moon in our solar system. Titan, Callisto, Ganymede, Io. What is your guess? The first one is a moon that orbits Saturn, and the rest are moons that orbit Jupiter. Fun fact, when I was younger, in preschool, we had a demonstration of the solar system, and the students were playing as the planets. And because I was really tall when I was younger, I'm still pretty tall for a woman, but because I was pretty tall when I was younger, I was chosen to represent Jupiter. So ever since, Jupiter became my favorite planet. So just a little fun fact. Alright, so do you have your answer locked in? Can I reveal the answer? Okay, so the largest moon is answer C, Ganymede, which has about 5,268 kilometers of diameter. So pretty big. Okay, let's move on to the last question, which asks, okay, so the last question asks, which is the brightest star in Earth's night sky? So, Earth's night sky, so we're excluding the sun. And these are the options. So is it A, Polaris? Is it B, Vega? Is it C, Arcturus? Or is it D, Sirius? A, B, C, or D? The brightest star in Earth's night sky. Polaris, Vega, Arcturus, or Sirius? Sirius. A, B, C, or D? What is your guess? Polaris, Vega, Arcturus, or Sirius? What do you think? Okay, do you have your answer locked in? The brightest star. Okay, let's take a look. The answer is D, Sirius. And this star is also known as the dog star. So answer D is the correct answer. So how many points out of 20 were you able to get from this quiz? Please comment down below, and also comment your answers to all of the questions. I really hope you liked the video. If you have any video ideas, please also let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, and thank you so much for watching. If you like the content and you'd like to see more, feel free to subscribe, and I'll also link my Patreon down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked the video, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye. I'm going to be showing you this picture so we can see all of the planets in our solar system, and you have to tell me the name of each one by order. So the first one is this. Okay. Remember, which is the brightest star in Earth's night sky? So excluding the sun, cannot be the sun. In Earth's night sky. So for options, is it A, Polaris, B, Vega, C, Arcturus, or D, Sirius? Polaris, Vega, Arcturus, or Sirius? Sirius. Oh my god. No. No. Okay.